Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you how to verify your identity in RedotPay. It's pretty simple and easy. First of all, if you don't have an account, go create an account. I'll leave the link in the bio. Once you sign up, you get $5 as a gift. After setting up your account, now you have to verify your identity. You can see verify your identity top bar. Click verify. After that, click continue. So here you have to choose your nationality. After that, you have to fill these fields with your personal information like your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and the document type that you want to verify with. So either an ID or a driving license or a passport if you have. So after setting up your correct information, click next. It will redirect you to this page. I'm a resident of or live in. Choose all countries except USA if you don't live in the US. After that, click continue. Now you have to complete your verification. The next step is to take a photo of your wherever you choose, your residence permit, your ID card, your driver license, your passport. I chose my ID, so you have to take a photo of the front of the ID and a photo for the back. After that, click document is readable. The next step is to take a photo of your face so they can see if it matches the document you uploaded. After that, as you can see, the process may take from 1 to 5 minutes. You just have to wait for the result and hopefully you get approved. If you did get rejected, watch the next video. I have a solution for that. Hope this video is helpful. Make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.